If Instagram isn't posting your stories on Android, here's how to fix it. First, restart the Instagram app. Close it completely and reopen it to see if the story uploads. If not, try restarting your phone to refresh system processes. Check your internet connection. If your network is slow or unstable, stories may fail to upload. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or try using a different network. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it is available. If the issue continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram to remove any corrupted files. Try clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. If you are trying to upload a large video, it may take longer to process. Reduce the file size by trimming the video or compressing it before uploading. Check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or checking Twitter for user reports. If Instagram servers are experiencing issues, you'll have to wait until they are fixed. If none of these steps work, log out and log back into your account. You can also try uploading the story from a different device to check if the issue is account related. As a last resort, report the issue to Instagram by going to Settings, Help, Report a problem, and explaining the issue. That's it. Hopefully your Instagram stories will start posting again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.